Alright, so here we have the no boot situation. The machine is powered on and I'm only getting a blank display basically. So I have the scope connected to ground now, pin 20. And so let's probe the clock at 37. 49.8. Yeah, and it just sprang to life. So it's definitely some kind of clock related issue. And maybe replacing the crystal will work. I have a spare CPU. I also tried this one. There is no difference really in behavior. And I also have a spare crystal from another board, and this was the one which was originally in there, so I might just try putting that back and see if it makes a difference. But I mean, I think it might be something else. I mean, what else could it be, right? Could it be like C29 or C30, like the two 10 picofarad capacitors? I think those are this guy here and that guy, right? And interestingly, I mean, the no boot issue always gets worse after a while. See, there it is again. And now resetting the machine. I mean, you can't do a cold hard reset now because I don't have the keyboard connected, but reset makes no difference. And again, I guess if I probe 37 now, it might spring back to life. Not immediately. 40, 39, 38, 37. Yeah, there it is again. Yeah, weird.